So it's great meeting.
All right. Are you doing a video?
मैं हमारा जो YHA का मैं लाइव मेंबर हूँ, तो उसका मोटो है घूमते फिरते आप शहद इकट्ठा करते हैं.
हाँ.
वॉन्डरिंग वन गैदर्स हनी. तो आज मुझे खूब सारा शहद मिल गया.
सही बात है.
I got a lot of honey today.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So basically the motto of YHA
Yeah, that's honey.
I got
So
it.
I'm Sunil from Amritsar.
I'm Clive. I'm Clive from London, England.
Shashi from Bangalore.
And I am traveling on my car, and they are traveling. They're cycling all the way from Delhi to Leh and back to Delhi via Manali.
Yeah.
Yeah, wonderful people. And he's guess. He's elder to me. looks much younger. He's 62. I'm 61.
He's younger than me too.
Yeah, it's wonderful
Bless
meeting.
you.
Yeah, you can also.
So nice.
कुछ भी आप बोल सकते हैं. Yeah.
What's that?
So you can say something.
Oh, okay. I'm not sure who's listening to this video, but yes, it's been wonderful to meet Sunil, and we've exchanged emails, and he's an inspiration to us all as well. The fact that he's going about camping in his car and then sleeping outside and just having a meal wherever he finds it. So wonderful. I'm excited to meet him.
Yeah, I am even more excited to meet him. He's an inspiration, and you too, sir.
And this is the first time in India I met someone who was traveling and touring by car, but not living in a hotel, living in the car. And it's amazing. So we're meeting all kinds of people. Yesterday we met, a couple of days back we met a sadhu, going by cycle, doing ashtang pranam. And he's been out for 1 year, almost a year.
Yes.
And now you're doing this every month, different places. So it's amazing that people tour in different ways. It's so nice to meet you.
Meet so many lovely people on the route. That is why traveling is such an amazing activity.
Yeah, absolutely.
I love it.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Excellent.
देखो लाइफ कितनी खूबसूरत है. अभी 5 मिनट पहले हम मिले थे. We met just 5 minutes ago.
Yeah.
And we didn't know each other.
No, here we are.
Yeah, and
Breaking bread.
Traveling binds us, you know?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Common goal.
And now अब मिलके कलाड़ी कुलचा खा रहे हैं यहाँ पे.
It's called Kalari kulcha.
हाँ, कलाड़ी. They call it kulcha. Actually, this is bread. Properly, they serve with kulcha. There is a kulcha यहाँ पे. कश्मीर का कुलचा पॉपुलर है. अमृतसर का डिफरेंट है. यहाँ का अलग है. ये वो नहीं है. आपको आगे कहीं मिल जाएगा. इसके अंदर है मिलता है कलाड़ी कुलचा. ये तो एक्चुअली कलाड़ी ब्रेड.
अच्छा, कलाड़ी का मतलब वो चीज का नाम कलाड़ी है.
Yes.
Not this dish name.
Yeah.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
Okay, Sunil, thank you very much.
Yeah, nice meeting you, Clive.
Yeah, thanks for the food and chai.
Yeah, it was privilege.
Yeah.
Bye-bye, Shashi. Billawar Dughan Development Authority. Shiva Temple, Billawar 7 km left. Sukrala Mata Temple, Machedi. Waterfall Kindli, Hill Station Chew, Bala Sundri. कहीं तो भावना की किरण करे. Thank you, please visit again. Shiv Temple, Ramkot 30 km, Udhampur 85, Jammu 111, Sharad Cave